How to find oxidation state of a transition metal. Step 1. Identify the overall charge on the coordination complex, given as the ion's charge. Step 2. Calculate the total charge contributed by the ligands. Formula: oxidation state of metal equals total charge on complex minus sum of ligand charges. Let's test it with an example. Co. NH3, 6, Cl3. Overall charge on coordination sphere equals +3. Ligands, NH3, equals 0. Right pointing arrow oxidation state of county equals +3 minus O equals +3. These are charges of neutral ligands and anionic ligands.